Tiger, I'm happy to see you've understood the process of multiplying decimals. Can you guess what we have next?
No. Tell me what?
Statement problems.
Oh, I totally love those.
Statement problems. Side length of a square is 4.5 meters. What is its area? Side length of a square equals 4.5 meters. We know that the area of a square equals length times length, which is 4.5 meters times 4.5 meters. Let's first multiply 45 times 45. We multiply the number in the ones place by 5, which is 5 times 5 equals 25. We keep 5 and carry 2. We write this in ones place. Next, we multiply the number in the tens place by 5, which is 4 times 5 equals 20. Then add the carry to get 20 plus 2 equals 22. We write this in hundreds and tens places. We place 0 in ones place below 5. We now multiply the number in the ones place by 4, which is 5 times 4 equals 20. We keep 0 and carry 2. We write this in tens place. Next, we multiply the number in the tens place by 4, which is 4 times 4 equals 16. Then add the carry to get 16 plus 2 equals 18. We write this in thousands and hundreds places. Lastly, we add the numbers. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 2 plus 8 equals 10. We keep 0 and carry 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Then count the digits after the decimal point for each of the numbers. Here it is 2 decimal places. We place the decimal point after 2 digits counting from the right. The answer is 20.25. So 4.5 times 4.5 equals 20.25. The area of the square is 20.25 square meters. Amazing! Naina bought 37 books for Rs 9.2 each. How much did the books cost in total?
Thank you for watching. Enroll now. To access all 184 videos totaling 16 hours and 38 minutes, featuring introductions, examples, and exercises for Grade 4 Math.